Let's go back to the beach.
Okay.
Gulp, baby.
Baby. Would you like some of this, Xavier?
Yes, I would actually, Stanley.
Hey, do you know Tom Floyd? Tom Floyd. You know Tim Floyd?
I don't know Tom Floyd, but I know Tim Floyd.
You know who Tim Floyd is? Tim Floyd cool. Do you know where he lives?
Do you have Tim Floyd's number?
Yeah,
Are you friends with Tim Floyd?
I really wish I was friends with Tim Floyd. He is like the coolest fucking person I know.
Dude, I know.
He is so awesome.
It's insane, dude.
Tim Floyd is like the coolest motherfucker ever.
For sure.
What?
It's a for show.
Oh, show.
For shizzle, my nizzle.
Don't say that.
Travis said it to me yesterday. Not yesterday. The other day. Turning the camera.
Baby.
Alex, Xavier, Ingen, Brianna, Stanley, Emery.
I really wish we could have saved that video. I love it.
I know, but Mr.
Still
Swenson's
safe?
a douche.
Is it still safe?
Yeah, saved to the hard drive. So, how does that tea taste? Describe it.
Amazing! Oh, okay. It's like this big, like, thing. This big thing. And it's like in your mouth. And all of a sudden it's like, just sits there. He's all, fuck yeah! And then you are just not even knowing what to do. You're just like, dude, what just happened? And you're just freaking out right now because you have no idea what to do. You're just sitting there just like, wow, that just happened.
That's so interesting.
I know.
I'd really like a taste of that, actually. I'd really like to know how freaking the fuck out feels. Dude, what just happened?
I know, right? It's like you're here 1 second and then you drink it. It's like, poof. You just entered an entirely new place. You just okay, ready? This is what happens. You got it ready? So like, you just walk in, have a normal day, and you just continue, and I spilled on myself, and then it's all good. It's good. Yeah. They're in the water.
What? She just keeps walking.
So how you doing?
How you doing?
You know what, son? And then she totally was like, dude, I don't know what, and I didn't know what to tell her. You mean the guy's dead, so it just happens. There's nothing you can really do about it. So now she's in prison, and, and then, and she has 8 kids now.
Wow,
So,
it's pretty intense.
yeah.
How's she doing?
It's great. Oh my gosh, okay, this one time we were walking in Walmart, and then the police show up out of nowhere, and we're like, dude, we didn't steal that. And she's just sitting there, her face is all red. You know how, like, red, like, is that really red? I can't know. You know, like a regular red, like that kind of red. It's like tomato red. And, I just stop thinking. You stop, and then you keep going. Right? Yeah. Yeah, it happens.
That's where I was sitting when I was talking to you. Right? Right on that bench. No, it's not cool, actually, Stanley. It's very interesting. You're such an interesting person. And how would you like to conclude this video?